today's problem from pair of straight line, and the problem is a parallelogram is formed by the pair of straight line given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. This is the homogeneous equation of second degree, so it represents a pair of straight line passes through the origin, that is like as this and this. Okay, these two represent the pair of straight line given by this, and the straight line through the point PQ and parallel to them. So through the point PQ and parallel to these two straight line is given by like this one and this one. This forms a parallelogram. Okay, and this is the point, and let it be C, the coordinate of C. This is PQ, right? So that the equation of the diagonal which do not passes through the origin is given by this equation we have to prove, and that is origin x-axis, y-axis, let it be OA, it be OB, and the parallelogram is OACB. We have to find this diagonal. This is not passes through origin, and the other diagonal of the parallelogram is the passes through origin. This diagonal is not required. Only required diagonal is AB. Okay. Now we have to first find this pair, that is the pair CA and CB. The pair CA and CB, pair of straight line CA and CB is given by. How to find the equation of the pair of line CA and CB? Because CA and CB are parallel to OB and OA, that is the parallel to this two straight line, and the passes through the point PQ, or the point of intersection is PQ. So we directly write the pair is given by, only we write A into x minus t whole square plus 2h into x minus p into y minus q plus y into, this is b into y minus q whole square. This is equal to 0. We replace x by x minus p and y by y minus q in the given equation. Because this two straight line passes through the origin, or the point of intersection is origin, so actually we replace x minus 0 and y minus 0 by x minus p and y minus q. Okay, now we name this line as the line number 2, and we name the given line ax square plus ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. This is equal to 0. This is line number 1. Now we have to find the diagonal not passes through origin. So the diagonal of the parallelogram OACB not passes through origin, which is given by AB. We find AB very easily by 2 minus 1, because if we make 2 minus 1, that is this minus this minus this, then the second degree term in x and y which are homogeneous in 1, which are cancelled out, and only left term are 1 degree and 0 degree. Okay, and now we first find the equation, then we tell how to represent this line or this diagonal not passes through origin. Now 2 minus 1 is given by, we write directly subtract 1 from 2 and write the first term ax square and ax square cancel out, and we write here this is minus 2x a p. Okay, and second term is a p square plus now 2h into here also 2hxy cancel out with this. So only left term are minus py minus qx plus pq. Okay, and from here only left term are b into, this is minus 2yq, or we write 2yqb plus bq square. This is equal to 0. And now taking common minus from all the term, this line as 2x ap minus ap square, this is plus 2h qx plus 2h py minus 2h pq plus 2y bq minus, this is bq square. This is equal to 0. Okay, now we take common 2x from here ap, this term, and from here this is hq, right? And we taking common 2y from this term, this is bq, plus this term, this is hp. Okay, now here the left term are minus ap square minus 2h pq minus bq square. This is equal to 0. And we get 2x into ap plus hq, and we write this term as minus, taking common p from this term we get ap plus we take 1 hpq. Okay, and we get common p, so this is hq. Now this term is 2y into bq plus hp minus, we take common here and here, taking common q, this gives the result hp plus bq. This is equal to 0. So we write the result as 2x minus b into ap plus hq plus 2y minus q into bq plus hp. This is equal to 0. And we say that this equation represent diagonal AB, because AB passes through the point of intersection of CD and OB and CA and OA. Okay, that is the passes through the intersection of 1 and 2. This is the first, and clearly this line not passes through origin. Okay, because there are two lines which are passes through this pair and this pair of intersection. So there are two lines. One is OC, which is passes through origin also, but this line which is not passes through origin. And since this line is not passes through origin, so this is our result, that is the diagonal which does not passes through the origin is given by this, and this is our answer. Clear? Very interesting and very easy problem of pair of straight line. Thank you for watching.